Hey my beloveds, what's going on? Welcome to this week's video. Happy summer, everybody. It's officially the first week of summer, my personal favorite time of the year. You guys know how much I love superfood smoothies, so I was thinking, what could I do that kind of had a summer theme to it? And I thought, oh, this is perfect. We're going to take my basic Superfoods green smoothie, which you guys already know, and I'm going to add 3 delicious twists to it, just to give it a little more flavor, a little more zip, and a little more fun. And here's the thing, my beloveds, even though we're adding some flavor to it, don't be fooled. Don't get it twisted. It's still super healthy and nutritious as well as delicious. So come on, let's go ahead and get started. So these are all the ingredients you guys are gonna need. I always put superfoods and I always put protein, raw vegan protein powder into my smoothies. I just think it's a really smart thing to add. You don't taste it, but it gives you so much bang for your nutritional buck. So we're gonna go ahead. You guys know my favorites is Your Super. I love Your Super. It's amazing. If you guys haven't checked them out, I'm gonna put the link. In the description box below. I'm gonna put the discount code. They're really gracious and they gave me a discount code to give to you guys. It's of course DrElizabeth. So I'm gonna put that right there. And click on the link below. It says Your Super. They're giving you guys a really generous discount on your purchase. So check them out. They're really good. So you can either do skinny protein or you can do muscle protein. I just do 1 tablespoon of each. Also, we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of skinny protein. This one has a lot of superfoods in it. Okay, check this out, you guys. Pea protein, hemp protein, moringa, spirulina, and alfalfa. There's a whole lot of good stuff in this one. And I'm gonna show you guys in a minute what is in this one. Check this out, you guys. Muscle power. Okay, rice protein, pea protein, maca, lucuma, which makes it really like rich and delicious. It's so yummy. I love lucuma. And banana. So both of these are really, really delicious. Okay, so then what I do is I add a tablespoon of Forever Beautiful, because if you guys have been here for a while, you guys know, hello. Why would you not use something that says Forever Beautiful? And okay, I know that's their marketing, but listen to what's in this. It's not just the name, it's what's in it that makes the name actually legit. Trust me, I'm 60, I know this. Okay, so check this out, you guys. Chia seeds, acai, maqui, acerola, which is also called Barbados cherry, maca, and blueberry. So much vitamins, minerals, and superfoods in this. I put about a tablespoon of this in as well. Cool? Now, okay, we'll put these back. So if you guys want, check out Your Super. They're amazing. They're super. Okay, that's so corny, I'm sorry. Now, the next thing I do is this is approximately 4 cups of washed kale. I love kale. You could use spinach, you could use collard greens, you could use any kind of green you want. I just really, really love kale, so I'm always putting kale in my smoothie. Cool. Okay. Next, we're going to add our juice base. So I'm going to show you 3 variations of juice base that you can use. That's the liquid you put in. Normally, I just add purified water, which is totally fine because I'm going to add frozen fruit to this anyway, so it's totally fine. But I wanted to give you guys something that is, just has more flavor. It's a little more yummy, delicious, without adding any excess sugar or any excess calories. Now, you guys know, you've heard me say this a million times. I'm gonna step up to you guys on this just to really draw the point home. I never count calories, ever. I think I talked about that in my last Q&A. They asked me, Dr. Elizabeth, do you count calories? Do you count macros? Do you count micros? I don't. I haven't counted calories since I was in high school. That's 40-some years ago, 44 years ago. You don't have to count calories. If you're eating plant-based, whole food, really nutritious and delicious foods, not processed foods, you don't have to worry about the calories. And so for me, I'm using these juice bases because they are the biggest bang for your nutritional buck. I know you guys hear me say that all the time. What I mean by that, it is the most amount of nutrition that you can possibly get from 1 or 2 cups of these liquids, as opposed to, let's say, pineapple juice or orange juice, which are really loaded in excess sugars, and you don't need that to get the flavor. So come on, let me show you guys exactly what I mean. Base number 1, I just took purified water and I added fruit. So in here I have peach, pineapple, and strawberry, and it just tastes like fruity water, but it's not like a juice that's gonna pile on the excess sugar. And it still tastes delicious. Number 2, which is really one of my favorites, is the water from a young Thai coconut. If you guys have read my book, you guys know I talk about the coconut being the food of the gods. There's so much nutrition. The coconut meat, which you guys can absolutely throw in the smoothie as well. It gives it a really nice, smooth, instead of doing traditional yogurts, which are dairy-based, you just put the meat of a coconut in your smoothie along with the coconut water. Muy, muy delicioso. So good. The water in a coconut like this has so much natural minerals, vitamins, and electrolytes. Forget about those packaged drinks that say that they're electrolyte replacing drinks. They're junk, they're crap, they have a lot of sugar, they have a lot of chemicals, and anything that sat in a bottle for 2 months before it gets to you, don't do it. Crack one of these open instead, pour the water in, drink it by itself, or pour the water in. Now, you're getting the nutrition and electrolytes. Literally, this is like sent from the universe. It's like, oh, thank you. It's amazing. Cool? So this is base number 2, coconut water. Now, of course, if you guys have been here for a while, you guys know watermelon is like life for me. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do this. Super easy. Ne bouge pas. S'il te plaît. Okay, check this out. So what I love about this is I'm going to crack this open. I'm going to enjoy the watermelon, and then I'm going to show you how I harvest the juice. Oh my God. Anytime it cracks, my beloveds, you know it's good. Oh, this is so yummy. Such a happy camper. I take this, I save it for my snack, put it in the refrigerator. Now, we still have all this left, and as you guys can see, there's a lot of juice in here, but this technique's a little messy, but it's worth it because it is going to yield the sweetest, most delicious juice base for your smoothie. Okay, here we go. All right, my beloveds, it's time to whip this baby up. Make sure you dump the juice under the kale, like so. All right, let's get started. And now is our last step. We're going to add frozen fruit. I like adding frozen pineapple, mango, peach, and strawberry, and then of course banana. It just gives it like that tropical flavor. All right. Okay, this is about 1 generous cup. And this is approximately 1 large or 2 small bananas. Last step. All right, my beloveds, the final step. Now, the last secret I will share with you guys is I always drink my smoothies, I always put them in jars, and the reason being is because I take them with me. I usually have part of this I'll have while I'm getting myself ready, and the other part I'll take to the gym with me. So, I always drink out of jars because they have lids and I can take it with me. But here's my secret. What I do is I take one of my jars and I freeze it the night before. They don't crack. If you do a cur jar or a ball, see this. It might crack if you do that. It didn't. Let's try that again. This is cur and ball jars. So, these do not crack. Okay, so, nice frosty jar, nice, thick, delicious smoothie, and voila. Delicious, nutritious, super. Okay, I'm the only one drinking out of this, I can do that. Superfoods green smoothie with a summer twist of flavor to it. All right, my beloveds, here's to your health, nostrovia, salud, a votre sante. All right, until next week, my beloveds, you guys know I love you so, so much. Hair care video is coming. I'm trying to coordinate with my friend who cuts my hair. We both have crazy busy schedules, but I promise you that I will do that very, very soon. And then message me below, let me know. Oh yeah, closet tour, I promise you for summer we'll do that. Maybe we'll do a bikini haul or something like that. I just messaged a company seeing if we can maybe do a bikini haul. It's a super, super cute bikini company, so we'll see if we can do that. I think that's it. So until next time, my beloveds, remember, you can do this. You can have everything your heart desires. And I'm here to help you every step of the way. Ciao. See you guys next time.